This is the Kinect V1 adapter, which allows you to run your Microsoft Kinect Xbox 360 sensor for Stickman SLS Ghost Hunting on a battery pack. So that takes 10 AA batteries that can be mounted on top, or via 12 volt mains, and you get the UK mains adapter with the pack. So if you plug the pack into a mains, it isolates the battery so it doesn't accidentally charge the batteries and create a fire, etc. So it's safe to have the mains plugged in whilst the batteries are in place. So if you want to run by batteries, you just pop in 10 AA cells. When it's not in use, you just take the batteries out. The batteries will last for 3 or 4 nights, probably longer if you're lucky, depending on what batteries you used. So it's been tried and tested. There's a little LED indicator, so when the device is powered up by mains or batteries, you'll see that come on. So we've got USB input, USB output. So if we take the Xbox's USB, plug it in there, power up the device. In this instance we're using the mains. Plug in the USB to the laptop, and then there we go.